You don't need to eat raw meat to get the nutrients, but the reason some people swear by it might surprise you. A viewer asked a great question. Is meat more nutritious if it's eaten closer to its natural state, meaning raw? It's a great question, and the honest answer is there are truths on both sides. Raw meat does preserve certain heat-sensitive nutrients like B vitamins and enzymes that are slightly higher when the meat isn't cooked. The one reason some people in the carnivore space experiment with raw or very rare meat and report feeling good. But here's what also matters. Cooking doesn't remove the nutrition from meat, and in many cases, it actually makes the nutrients easier to access. And we know that gets more challenging as we get older. And when meat is cooked, the muscle fibers and connective tissue break down. That makes protein easier to digest and the amino acids more available, and that's really important. Minerals like zinc and iron are often absorbed just as well or better in lightly cooked meat. So, from a biological standpoint, humans are well adapted to do both. We've been cooking meat for a very long time, and for most people coming from metabolic dysfunction, gut issues, or years of processed food, lightly cooked meat is usually easier to digest and more practical. Rare to medium rare often becomes the sweet spot, and preserving nutrients while improving digestibility. So could someone eat raw meat and do well? Some people do, but it isn't required for nutrient density, and it isn't necessary for metabolic healing. But the bigger takeaway is this. The difference between raw meat and cooked meat is small compared to the difference between eating real meat and eating ultra-processed food. So instead of getting stuck in perfection or extremes, focus on what you digest well and what keeps you consistent. High quality ruminant meat, raw, rare, or cooked, is still one of the most nutrient dense foods you can eat. Consistency beats theory every time. I'll see you tomorrow.